Hi, and welcome to the John Show. Today we're going to look into the refrigerator. Eli has already got some of the milk from the refrigerator. Yes, he has very much. What have we here? This is 2-day-old chicken bone. 2-day-old chicken bone. Very sexy. Let's see if Eli wants one. Do you want 2-day-old chicken bone? Now we'll see what is in the refrigerator. What is in the very back of the disgusting refrigerator? We have a 40 of Pabst. Very good. Yes. Subway Eat Fresh. Not very fresh anymore. Oh. 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 You can't understand the smell. Oh. Oh. Oh, no human can take this. It's horrible. Let us see what is next. What's in the catacombs? Hi. What do we have down here? Oh. Thai peanut sauce. That's okay. And then here, pumpkin mix, relatively fresh. Oh no! It's horrible! Cottage cheese. Best before October 22nd.
Sorry, my hand slipped. What is this shit? Oh god, look at that. Ew, look.
Oh!
Yeah?
Oh! Oh!
God, we need to shut that.
Oh! Horrible. Now we see what is left. What is in the catacombs? Back here, what?
I think I'm getting sick.
Do you know?
Cottage cheese.
Do you know what this is? Is this relatively recent?
Yeah.
Now, what I wonder is, what is this? This thing here with the boil? And somehow it is wedged back. I can just put it out. Ooh, I lost it there for a second. It's a crafty one. Question is, Eli, what is in here? Do you know? Let us see. Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
No! Throw that out, John. That. Wait, no!
I smell it. Oh look! It's black!
Oh!
It's black!
That's one of the nastiest things I've ever seen.
What?
Oh god!
What is in here?
John!
What is it? Mozzarella? Risky.
That is flaming gross.
Oh,
used to be
it's
clear
red. It was white before. How did it turn red? Oh. Oh. Wait. I know what we should do. We should mix some of the beans, the black beans, into the hair. Oh, yes. And stir it around. Make a souffle. Look, Charles. It's my souffle.
Why don't you take a bite,
my
buddy?
new soup. Oh, it's wonderful. let's see what is in this one.
What is this? My motherfucking brother.
It has white spots. Oh. But still, I want to know what is in what's in here. Aw, it's just a lemon. Very old lemon. No wait, it's a piece of cheese.
I think it's dead.
What else is there? Wait a minute. Beautiful hair. Look at the hair on the butter. Sushi flavoring.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh God! Ooh, the ooze! We make a stir fry of this tonight with black ooze. Beautiful. I've created a monster. What was it before? Cilantro and walnut pesto. No, not the mayonnaise. Oh! Oh! Still like my souffle the best. Yes. Oh yes. Oh. Now I got to put some of the mayonnaise in there. Yeah. We're going to make a souffle today. Oh yeah, pour some of the nasty sauce. Don't get on my hand! Ah! Let's wash off. Wait, we can throw the hard rock of cheese into the souffle. Yes.
Some cock sauce?
I see some. What's in there? What could it be? Oh, an old piece of pizza. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Oh,
It's like
it's
gotten a lot of care.
that's wonderful.
Now this.
It's beautiful.
I know it's old. You gonna get rid of it?
Oh, wait, no, get it away. Ooh, what is it?
Smell it.
Roasted garlic mayonnaise. Oh, God. Look, the eggs. Are they good?
These are good.
Well, what about these? Are these eggs? Oh no. Oh no.
These need to be eaten.
Let's see. December 6th, that okay. October 12th, that not okay. Let us add some egg to the mix. Oh, is it really that color inside? What do we have here now?
Well, this is the secret of our refrigerator.
Oh! Put it in the mix. Got to not use my teeth this time. I've never seen one of these before. That's all there is to it? It burns! It burns! Oh, it burns! Ow! The ring, it burns! Oh, yes. Look at the vaginal ring, it's It's now tainted.